Started? Yeah. Namaste. I am Chef Samir Giri from Goa. Today we are going to make mango panna cotta. Actually, a panna cotta is an Italian dish. We are going to cook a cream on the gas, and the ingredients I had put it here. Before before we start, I would like to thank Amol India to giving this opportunity for me. As everyone knows, it's a mango season, so we are going to use the fresh mango cubes in the panna cotta. So we have a fresh cream here. Fresh cream, 1 bowl. We have milk, half cup of milk, and we have the granulated sugar with us. And this is I had used agar agar to mix in the panna cotta. For the mango sauce, I have fresh mango pulp with me. Mango cubes, this I'll put for the garnish. Butter just to give the thickness for the sauce. Lemon juice and the mint I'm going to use for the garnish. So we'll start with the procedure first. I have with me Amul cream. I am using Amul cream here. I have Amul cream with me. Now I am going to use a granulated sugar with me. I have. So I am going to add in this the quantity which I had mentioned. If you have whipped cream with you, you can use a whipped cream also. Now I am going to use a agar agar, 1 teaspoon of it. If you have gelatin with you, you can go with a gelatin also. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of agar agar. You have to put this on a slow flame and just mix it up. Just note that you don't have to boil this, just warm it up. If you wanted to add vanilla essence into it, you can add it. You have to mix it well, as the agar agar need to get melted into it. Any questions there?
Ingredients with measurements.
Sorry?
Ingredients with
the measurements. The one cup of heavy cream, it's 240 gram. Half cup of whole milk, it will be a 120 ml, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar I am going to add in this, and 1 teaspoon of agar agar. If you are using a gelatin, it will be like if you are taking 100 ml of water, then you have to add 20 grams or 10 grams of gelatin. Any more questions there?
Ingredients with reference to the agar agar.
You can, if you don't have agar agar, you can use a gelatin. It's easily available in the market. So this agar agar, somebody had asked the question. This agar agar is a powder. It's not a thread. You get a like a sheet also. You get it, dry sheet that you need to soak in the water. Otherwise, you can use this agar agar powder. agar I had used this because it's a vegetarian. So you can see now it's milk and cream is warm now. Just mix it well. The agar needs to be dilute in the cream. So our this mixer is ready. So I'll keep this to fold it up. Okay, so this will keep it aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then we need to set in a glass. I'm going to set this in a glass. If you have any other glasses, you can set in this. I'm going to use these glasses. Now, meanwhile, we'll make a mango sauce with the panna cotta. I'm going to use this pan. To make a mango sauce, first I'm going to use this butter just to give the thickness to the sauce and a good consistency. I'm going to add this. Yeah, Khushbu Bajaj. Yeah, we need to dilute the agar. Otherwise, you can directly add in the milk. That's not an issue. So butter is melted now. Any more questions there? Sumandeep, can we grind the agar threads into the mixer to make powder and then use it? Not actually. You can soak it in the water and you can use it. So butter is melted now. I'm going to add this fresh mango pulp. I had used I'm in Goa, so I had used a Manpura mangoes for this. You can use any easily available mangoes. So I'm going to add this mango pulp. Just mix this well. Now we have to add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon of lime juice, fresh lime juice. And 2 spoon of granulated sugar. You can add the sugar according to your taste. This butter will give a good shine to the sauce and the consistency. You just need to emulsify the butter well with the mango puree. So it will give a good consistency to it. Just mix it well properly. Any questions there?
No, that's it.
Tanuj Joshi, custard powder can be used instead of agar. Tanuj, you can you have to use agar agar only, because the taste of it will be a different if you use a custard. So here actually the mango taste we need to mix it with the panna cotta. So better you use agar agar or the easily available gelatin, you can use it. So this sauce is mixed well. So we'll switch off the heat and we need to mix it well. This you need to keep aside at least for half an hour, and then you can refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes just to cool it down. So we'll go back to our we'll go back to our panna cotta. So this had cooled it down. So we'll pour in the glass. Fabello, yes, I have been asking how much butter and mango pulp. Butter you can use 2 cubes of butter and 1 cup of fresh mango cubes. That mango cubes we need to puree it well. Okay, so this I had set in the glass. So this you need to refrigerate at least for an hour or 2 hours. So already I had made and kept it ready. So I'll remove this from the fridge. And our sauce is also ready. So I had made this sauce and kept it ready to cool it down. So this will be the consistency of the panna cotta when you kept in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So it will be like mousse. Okay. So I have mango pulp with me, which we had cooked. So I am going to pour it on a panna cotta. So I had made a layer with this panna cotta and the mango sauce. So if you want to make a panna cotta with the mango only, so you can add this mango puree to the cream and mango when it's cooled down. Then you can refrigerate while putting in the glass. So I have fresh cubes of mangoes. This I am going to use for the garnish. Just to give more flavor of mangoes. Now I have with me a mint spring that I had put in the ice water. So now I am going to garnish it with the mint leaves. as you can see, our panna cotta is ready. So you can see the layer of this panna cotta with mango sauce. Some we had garnished with the mango cubes and mint leaves. So if you have any inquiries, please send a message after the session. I'll reply everyone. I hope you like this video. Do try and share it with us. Thank you very much. Amul again. Thank you.